Good evening, everyone. So it's been a long time, and today I'm here with my story. It is about when life doesn't go as planned, how to make best of it. So this is a walkthrough of my journey till now, and let me give you a quick walkthrough of my past life. So. So I'm from a town called Haldwani in Nainital district, and I was born in Chandigarh. Spent initial 5 years of my life in a village, then moved to Udaipur with my father, and then came to Haldwani. And since then I was in Haldwani. So I was brought up in a military kind of environment. I was surrounded by military people all time. So as I born in a military hospital and did my preschooling from a cantonment area, and my last school was in the cantonment area itself. So this somehow influenced my thinking, and I was more inclined toward to join the army. So just after my 12th, I tried several examinations, and which allowed me to become an officer. So I tried several of them, and I cleared every one of them. But the main roadblock that is SSB. So I was not able to clear it and rejected every time. So at a point of time, I decided that this cannot be my only option, and I have to choose something else too, so that if I can't make it to the army, I have something to fall back on. So I choose engineering because after army if there is anything that I love and that I can leverage for my future is coding. So I decided to go for engineering, and as I don't want to be a financial burden to my parents, I joined a decent government college. So initial phase of the college life, initial few months are very happening, and it was a completely new experience for me. It was the first time when I was completely independent and on my own, and it felt so good, and I was so happy that I don't want to go to my home when there was holiday, but yeah, it just passed. Then came the second semester, and I heard my several seniors and my colleague as well saying that there is nothing in engineering, and there are no job for engineers after they graduate. And most of them was preparing for something else like government exams, MBA, and other things. So very few of them was actually interested in engineering. And seeing them, I was a bit demotivated and confused that why I chose this if there is nothing ahead. But in my second year, I heard about Kaladkao, but I was afraid, or I couldn't dare to go to visit them. Some of my colleagues, some of my batchmates visited them, but I didn't. But in my fourth semester, they organized a food track event, and everyone was going and taking the opportunity. I also went to Kaladkao. So there I met Kaladkao team, and their way of teaching is a bit different. There was nothing that I imagined. I imagined that they were someone like who will teach you and give you lectures and these kind of thing. But right from the first day, I was able to do hands-on exercise, and that was really good. So also they were talking about something. They were talking something about making software from hills and making a software company in hills. That was something that was unheard before. Every time I heard about software or IT company, my mind directly go to Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, or sometimes to other country as well. But I never thought that it can be done from here too. So this is something that I also liked about it. And moving forward, me, Shamoon, and one of my friend went to Gurgaon to do internship in Kaladkao. Though I don't like the environment of the Gurgaon very much, but I like the office environment and the way they are working. So they are not following any 5 to 9 routine. Sometimes they sat there till 11 and 12, and they are passionate and determined for their job. That is the thing that I really like. They are not doing something for just sake of doing it. They are really liking the work they are doing. So when I completed my internship, my motivation was in another level. My confidence was very high, and as soon as I was I was landed back in my college, I decided to go ahead. But after some time, the result came of my last semester, and I got 2 bags. So I thought about a bit. I thought a bit and put the blame of my bags on my extracurricular activity, including coding. So then I decided that I have to stop these now and focus on my academics, and I want to clear all my bags before graduation. So. But later on in my final year, in my last semester, I realized that these are as important as these activities are as important as my academics. So, but I don't have time now. So I decided to do my internship in Kalatka only. So right after my holy vacation, I came back and. I was just 2 days into the internship, and government announced a 15-day lockdown, and everybody, my roommate, including everybody, my batchmate, including my roommate, is moving out to their homes and asking me to do the same and enjoy these 15 days. So I said no, I don't want to go home again, because I knew that if I go home, it will be a complete wastage of 15 days. I cannot concentrate at home. So I stayed back. Eventually, that 15-day lockdown period extended to 3.5 months, and I stayed with the Kalatkau team. And in there, I was while everyone of my friend who was at home was initially happy, but then after I was get bored and frustrated. But I had tasks in every day in my hand. I was working with an international client. I was working on a project, and I was learning and growing every day. So that was one of the best decisions that I have made over the period of time. After then, as you know that I have another passion. I left, and then I soon realized that this cannot be again the only way to move ahead. So I again decided to join Kalatkau and see how it's good. If I get selected, that will be great. But if I don't, I have something that I love to do, and this is what I think I can summarize is that when life doesn't go as planned, one have to make the best of it. So this was my story. Any questions or suggestions?
I like the message overall, because a lot of times things will anyway be, sometimes they'll be out of control. And then what you decide to do is shapes your character also. It's not like you were set out to be or wanted to be one thing. And that evolves over time.